So you're thinking about working in New Zealand. Here's how you can apply directly, all by yourself.
Yeah, 2026 is shaping up to have some great opportunities, especially for seasonal and sponsored work.
But, going through agents can be super expensive, a real roadblock for lots of people. So, this explainer is all about showing you how to take charge and save all that cash. Okay, first things first, let's get into the two main visa paths you can actually take. One's for a shorter stay, think seasonal work, while the other can be your path to residency. All right, you know the options. But the big question is, do you qualify? Let's check.
Age-wise, you just need to be between 18 and 50 years old.
And education, a 10th grade pass, is all you need. It's that straightforward. So, if you fit that description, here's the game plan for applying directly. It's really just 5 simple steps to get that job offer right in your hands. Seriously, your CV and cover letter are everything. That's your first impression, so make it count. Get the application right, and you'll find a lot of companies will actually sponsor your visa. Okay, you've got the process down, but what kind of jobs are we actually talking about? There's a whole range of stuff, from picking apples to driving trucks and working construction. And get this, a lot of these roles come with great perks, like food and a place to stay. And the pay? You're looking at about 25 to 30 New Zealand dollars an hour. Now for the really important part. Where do you actually send your application? Here are just a few of the employers and job sites that are hiring right now. Usually it's just a simple online form. You fill it out and upload your documents. Easy. And if your CV is good, you could hear back in as little as a week. Just remember, that job offer is your golden ticket. It's the key to the whole visa process. So the main point is this: applying directly puts you in control and saves you a ton of cash. Okay, with all this info, what's your very next move going to be? It all starts with getting that New Zealand-style CV absolutely perfect. That's your first step.